Hello everybody, welcome to another video. This video, we're going to be unboxing these new Scaletrains AC44C6M engines that I received a while back. I had them on pre-order when they were announced, and they finally arrived, and I filmed this unboxing a few weeks ago. So we're going to unbox the engines, take a look at them, and then I will show you them running on my club layout. That was about 2 weeks ago. I finally got around to recording the voiceover, and that's probably a day or two before you're seeing this video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. So first and foremost, we're gonna start with taking the locomotive out of the packaging. This is the primer nose. So the nose is painted primer gray with only the cab number for markings, and it is number 4047. So here's a closer look. As I said, primer gray for the front part of the engine. It looks phenomenal. All the detail looks great as usual. If there's anything you can count on Scaletrains for, it is beautiful detail in their models. This is no exception. I'll take a look around the whole locomotive here. I've seen some people do a customization where they remove the Norfolk Southern logo on the side of the engine there. I'm tempted to do that myself. It looks pretty good. Makes it look even more like it's in progress with the non-painted nose. So I'll put that one down, and then we'll get to the next one. So apparently I forgot to film the unboxing for 4004, but here she is. So this is the black mane with the blue on the edge of the mane. The blue is because this one was done at the Juanita shops up near Altoona, Pennsylvania. So as you can see, beautifully done. Once again, fantastic detail on the locomotive. Great detail on the cab roof with those antennas. Give you a little look there. But yeah, fantastic job as usual from Scaletrains. Next, we will go to that sister locomotive, the 4002, which is the Black & Tuscan. And once again, I'll take this out, but you will see that the mane is black, but this time it has a red fringe. And that's Tuscan red as a nod to the Norfolk and Western, as this one was done at the Roanoke shop. So we get this out of the package here. As usual, packaged very well, definitely safe. Get rid of everything out of here. So if you have watched my video on the DSX Heritage unit unboxing that I did for Christmas, these will get a similar treatment, so I will be weathering them to some degree. I haven't decided yet, and I will be adding the reflective sill along the side of the locomotive. So here are the two together. As you can see, it's pretty identical except for that color on the main and a few small details that some of you with sharp eyes may be able to spot. Let's take a look around the locomotive here. Looks beautiful as usual. Detail's great. Roof detail, great. So far, I've had no issues in terms of any damage received during transit or anything like that. All of my units have always come spick and span. So hopefully yours will too. Speaking of which, if you are interested, I do know that Scaletrains still has these in stock on their website. So head on over and grab yourself one or some of them. Some may only be available in DCC ready, but they are still available. So lastly will be the 4000, the one that started the Sonic Bonnet. So get this out of the box here. So this, I believe, was the first one to get redone. And with its blue mane and gold yellow fringe, started the whole Sonic Bonnet naming scheme that the rail fans have applied to these units. Let me get this out of the clamshell. Get my replacement roller bearing caps. The foam off of this. And let's get this out of the clamshell. Perfect. I don't know about you guys, but I usually never use those truck holders again. Find them to be annoying, but they do work to keep the trucks protected during transit. Get all this stuff off. Carefully. And get this out of the way. Here's a close-up look at the 4000. This is my favorite of the bunch. It looks great. Color is beautiful. The detail is amazing like the others. I have no complaints on this at all. It looks amazing. I'm also very glad that Scaletrains has decided to paint the wheels before they ship them along. I can tell you that was a pain to do afterwards. But yeah, there they are. And now we'll take you over to my club layout and show you them running. I'm a member of the Frederick County Society of Model Engineers. We're based out of Walkersville, Maryland, which is up near Frederick, Maryland. Our club is inside of a C&O Horse Express car. So it's a pretty cool piece of history that we get to hang out in. And we have this beautiful layout inside there as well, which is pretty cool. And this is my club layout here. So I took this footage on one of our recent open houses. So you'll hear some background talking and stuff between me and other members and some guests. But yeah, if you guys are interested in coming by, checking us out during an open house, feel free to look up FCSME Trains, and you'll be able to find our Facebook and Instagram pages. And we always post our open houses there with some, usually a couple of weeks of notice so that you guys can plan a trip. We are on the property of the Walkersville Southern Railroad, who are gracious to allow us to have our car there. So make sure that when you come up to visit us, you also pay them a visit, maybe take a ride on their train as they do some excursions up in the Frederick, Maryland area, which is pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this footage of these trains running on our club layout. And I will be sharing another video of the real trains with you very soon. So I look forward to seeing you guys then, and thanks so much for watching the video and for your support in the channel.
Oh, there's some people. Look, some little people there.
Oh, there's a train coming.
Train's coming. Even though I kind of don't want to run some of the momentum I already got, I'm going to put the console ones on soon.
So you're going to put it on 22, Justin.
Alright.
Can you put the switch on that?
JC's profile. Oh, look, that's JC. I thought about doing like a fall up, just like fall with the train, like doing like an old school like chase scene with the glasses on, or maybe a little.
Yeah, I already had it. I had the pictures all over Facebook.
I don't know, but I like right on the thing. It looks good, like I can see it right on the thing.